And also because people put a lot of hope and faith in them, like they did on Coke Studio. Like Coke Studio is going to save Pakistani music, and that's not what it's for. I mean, it's good that it's
Yeah,
there, but that's not what
yeah.
their job is. And
Also,
why?
we need to really get over this narrative of music industry is dead. Pakistani music needs saving. It is
Yeah,
not a damsel in distress. Please. Everyone needs to stop. Like, yes, we're all very bichara, but I think we all need to also suck it up and stop being bichara and kind of like really push on the powers that be to make sure that we're heard. And again, like all these kids are managing to do that.
yeah.
They're kind of really surpassing and superseding any kind of like mechanism that existed for us and just making it work for them. So I wouldn't consider them bichara. So if they're not feeling that bichara about themselves, and I feel like it's because they've missed that narrative, because
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
2000s was ke oh gigs band ho gaye, oh ye ho gaya. And yes, I completely, again, I'm the first person to say बहुत hand हुए हैं म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के साथ, एंड लाइक कम्युनिटी भी नहीं है, सब एक दूसरे से नाराज रहते हैं, अब
सब
बेहतर
नाराज
हो
रहते
गया
हैं.
है.
Yeah.
Like masle hain, yes, but like for me it's also really important that people from outside of the musician crew also enters the industry, right? So like for me, the reason why Chodo is super exciting is that these are all people from like the fashion world, and
Mm.
like fashion is thriving in Pakistan, like fashion visuals, clothes, वगैरह, all of that. Drama is thriving. So these two industries are thriving. Find that crossover. Like for me, yo, if anybody's looking for a singer for an OST, I'm your girl,
Yeah,
right? Because
all
if I can get
the
into the,
yeah,
yeah, all of the drama peeps, if any like major TV
and they
channel
all
is watching this
watch.
for no reason,
They all watch
um,
351. Yeah, yeah.
मैं भेजूंगी उनको ये just this little snippet.
Yeah, yeah.
But again, like I think we just need to like have more people also coming in, because like you said, a musician is not, it's not fair to ask a musician to make you an amazing product, which is your song and your video or like your piece of art, but then to also have to market it. Not everyone is can manage that.
Mm.
It's something that I like all of me and Zen, for example, have had to learn over the years, right? It's
Yeah.
not like it was came naturally to us 10 years ago. But there are people who are good at it. So if there are people who, for example, dreamt of being in the music industry but feel like there's no in, please just reach out to somebody. If you are a photographer, if you are a
Yeah.
filmmaker, if you are a makeup artist, if you are this, like istra, the kind of, you need to intermingle the entertainment sector entirely to be able to build the music industry up. Just like historically, when film does well, the
I
music industry
was,
also does well.
yeah, and film ka example is so relevant because I just said the same thing that you will hear in Agle Hafte ki episode. Ki when people look at a film, they're like, "हाँ, film में कौन काम करता है?" There's the actors and there's the directors, and that's it.
Hmm.
But there's like 200 other people without
Yes.
whom the film just doesn't exist.
Yeah.
And perhaps more important, because you can swap out an actor, but you can't swap out
Yeah.
like this whole crew section, which is like holding the film
Absolutely.
up. And it is this collaborative thing. I feel like people aren't pushing it perhaps as much as it can be pushed, especially in this YouTube, TikTok, Instagram creator sort of arena. But there's like immense
I
potential
mean,
there.
ये भी मसला है कि किस तरह करें. There are so few avenues for people to mingle other than like, for like, my strategy is following people that I think are amazing and then DMing them if anything ever comes up, or if I can afford to use their services or like whatever
Mm-hmm.
it is, right? Like, and not every, like even that makes me like be like, oh, I have to message somebody, or like not everyone's comfortable doing
Sure.
that. There's no kind of like space where you can mingle, whether physically or virtually, where
Yeah.
you can come across each other. So you just really have to make friendships over social media, which is both great but also taxing and difficult, and like just breaking into these spaces. But I think aista aista ho raha hai. Like I feel like a lot of the music videos that have come out in the past 6 7 months or the past year, like people like Abdullah Kasumbi, and like his whole crew, that whole like Karachi scene, like they're doing some
Yeah.
wild visual stuff, man.
Yeah.
And like his production is also like amazing. But like, so everyone's kind of getting in. Karachi community radio is so,
I've
so
heard of
good.
this
You should,
thing. What is Karachi Community Radio? Now
they're
you're
so good.
explaining. This is now Natasha explaining music things to Ali. What
No problem.
I
I
saw
love it.
this. I've seen them idhar udhar, but I don't know what it is.
So they're a collective, run by some very cool people in Karachi, where they basically are doing audio visual kind of music related things. So they're doing so much. It's like very hard to explain as well. I wish
I saw
I
like
like
this
had an elevator
Manu.
pitch.
I saw this Manu like
Yes, Manu
virtual
said,
CGI
right. So like, so they're
performance.
doing, yeah, so they're doing all of this like augmented reality stuff. They're doing They're getting artists on board who are, obviously like underground, but like really really deserved like be unka boiler room hota hai, pata nahi, main bhul gayi
Mhm.
hu. So like wo wala like level of like stuff that they're doing. They do like projection mapping and like very very cool things. So like they've really got that like audio visual scene going on, and everyone listening should go check them out.
Yeah.
Because and they've like done a couple of projects, like they keep doing like multiple projects as well, right? So they've done one which was infusing like a really, I don't want to say fusion, but it was, but in like the best way possible, like
Okay.
if that is what that word should be used for at this point. And so they're not just, my point of saying that is they're not just covering like indie Angrezi Western music, but they're also really kind of digging deep into what is happening within folk music, within like, using local instruments and things like that, and
Okay.
getting artists on board. They had something to do with the APMC, which is the All Pakistan Music Conference in Karachi, which is classical and semi-classical music. So they, like are working for audio and video there as well. So like they're doing some fantastic things.
It
So
really
इस तरह
feels
के जब
like,
collectives आते हैं तो आपका दिल खुश
yeah,
होता है, like you're
yeah.
just like yes, more of this please.
This reminds me of like the T2F scene before it stopped, and like the monthly open mics and everything. That's how I met a lot of people there, just by going to the open mic. So yeah, and
Yeah.
because like hamare indie underground whatever musicians, they don't expect any respect, right? So if you go up to them and say I like your music, they're like holy shit, someone came up to me and said he liked my music. And that's how a lot of these friendships and connections came out.
But that's also like how historically like these things have grown, right? The phrase that we use ki scene hai, like
Scene.
scene kya tha, like what
Yeah.
was the music scene, right? 90s rock can all be traced back to like a scene, which is like terribly shoddy college gigs that then evolve into like actual like mass appeal bands
Yeah.
and things like that. But you just need those like physical virtual spaces where people can interact. I met such amazing people at T2F, at multiple spaces in Lahore of a similar thing. People end up meeting a lot of people at LMM. So like the more of these spaces that we end up creating and realizing that like in a post-pandemic world,
Yeah.
hopefully we will have access to just having community spaces that also transcend like social class and status. ये ना हो कि सिर्फ like
That's a big
defense
thing
के
too.
लोग
Yeah.
साथ में chill कर रहे हों, because that is what unfortunately like class plays a huge role in how independent music and the sound of that is associated with it as well, because it does take resources. Like I'm broke now
Because
with this
it's not
music
paying
video.
people a lot. So you need to
I'm
have
not
some
getting any money
level.
back. Yeah.
Yeah. You need to be able to take that hit, which not everyone can.
And also like cultural capital has so much, cultural and social capital, sorry, has so much to do with it, is because it's not ke, oh, you're there because of Sifarish. But if you're in the right room with the right person, like, these
Bro,
things do
100%.
help,
Yeah, yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
even again, like outside of Sifarish, outside of Pachi, like it's not even like you can be very like merit based, aapka hi dakhla hoga into that environment, but it still really has a lot to do with the kind of people you are able to interact with. And
Yeah.
I think that's something that no one's really figured out.
And
And
it's not even just a Pakistan thing. This is
no,
like true
no,
everywhere.
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
would they say that regard the neighborhood that you grow up in sort of defines how successful you are in life, and you don't choose where you grow
absolutely,
up in. That's just where you grew up
absolutely.
in.